How to fix Shein app not working on Android device. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Now go ahead and click on the option of network and internet. Click on the Wi-Fi option. Here towards the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, disconnect to it. Then give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Also, you can switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch it to mobile network, and if you're using mobile network, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Next up, launch your Play Store. Now search for the app Shein. After app appears at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, close this, press and hold on your Shein app. Click on the option of app info. Now, click on the option of permissions. Grant all the permissions such as calendar, camera, location, notification, photos and videos. Then head back. Click on the option of storage and cache. Click on the option of clear cache. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, you can uninstall this app. Click on the option of uninstall, click on OK. Then launch your Play Store, search for the app Shein and download it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Shein app not working on Android. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.